Hello children, today we are going to study the poem Shooting Star which is written by Santhini Govindan. Okay, so first I will read out the poem and then we will start the explanation part. Whenever I see a shooting star whizzing across the dark night sky, I marvel at its beauty from afar and wonder what is it doing and why. Could the shooting star be a happy star trying to turn cartwheels in the sky? Or could it be just an adventurous star that's decided to try and learn to fly? Perhaps it's a star that's got bored of its place, high up in the crowded Milky Way. Maybe that's why it's trying to race to find another galaxy in which to stay. Or could a shooting star just be a lonely star in search of a friend who will be true? So perhaps if I get a shooting star to notice me, I'll soon be whizzing through the Milky Way too. So, in this poem, the speaker is a child enjoying the beauty of a shooting star while wondering what it was trying to do and why. So, when the speaker sees a shooting star, she wonders what the star is actually doing, whether out of joy it is doing cartwheels in the sky, or whether it was simply being adventurous and was trying to learn to fly. No? Whenever I see a shooting star, what is a shooting star? Shooting star means small pieces of rocks that look like stars and that burn brightly and they quickly shoot, they quickly move across the sky. Whizzing across the dark night sky. Whizzing means children moving very quickly, okay, through the air and also making a whistling sound that is known as whizzing. So that shooting star is moving quickly across the sky and also making a whistling sound. I marvel at its beauty from afar. Marvel means to be surprised, to be, to see the wonder, to show wonder at something. So she admires the beauty of this shooting star from afar. Afar means from a great distance and wonder what is it doing and why. And she's also, she wonders, she's surprised at what it is actually doing. Could the shooting star be a happy star trying to turn cartwheels in the sky? Cartwheels, children, you must have seen in some dances. This when a person uses the hands and feet to move like a wheel. Then sometimes hands goes down, then legs goes up, and they move like a wheel. That is cartwheels. So the speaker is saying that whether it is moving out of joy, it is doing cartwheels in the sky, or whether it was simply being adventurous, or could it just an adventurous star. Adventurous means not afraid of trying new and exciting things. So is it just the shooting star is just simply being adventurous and was trying to learn to fly, that's decided to try and learn to fly. So was it trying to learn to fly, being adventurous? Perhaps it's a star that's got bored of its place. So the speaker goes a step further to wonder whether the shooting star was bored of being in the same place with numerous many other stars and uh, high up in the crowded Milky Way. Milky Way means it is a galaxy in which Sun, Earth, and all the planets is present. It is called Milky Way. So high up in the crowded Milky Way, the speaker is saying that perhaps it is the shooting star is bored of its place just among so many stars in the Milky Way. Maybe that's why it is trying to race to find another galaxy in which to stay. So maybe the shooting star is looking for another galaxy, maybe another home it is looking for. Or could a shooting star just be a lonely star in search of a friend who will be true? So the speaker is says that uh, was it a lonely star looking for a true friend? The speaker says that she might be the true friend. It's written here. So perhaps if I get a shooting star to notice me, I'll soon be whizzing through the Milky Way too. So she says that she might be that true friend. Whizzing means moving through the Milky Way if that shooting star would notice her. So, children, what is the speaker doing in the poem? She is looking at the night sky and watching a shooting star, okay, moving. And how does the speaker connect what the star is doing with an expression of happiness? She imagines it is turning cartwheels to express its joy. And why does she connect cartwheels with the happiness? Because according to the speaker, that is the way children display their joy. On what makes her think the star could be looking for a new place to live? Because she imagines it to be tired of living with a crowd of stars in the Milky Way, and therefore thinks that it is moving away to another galaxy. And how does it help for her to think the star could be lonely? What made her think like that? So, children, these thoughts are closely associated with human activities and thinking. The speaker treats the star like a human, saying that if only the star noticed her, she would be the friend of this lonely star. So, all these thoughts are put together through various poetic techniques. So, this is the poet all about. I hope you have understood the poem. So read the poem and also learn the poem by heart. Thank you.